Hi, this is Dave with Dave's Workshop and Wildersport Outdoors. Today we're going to talk about our recording studio. Unfortunately, the location isn't ideal. That's going to change, but I wanted to kind of talk about our equipment. I've seen and heard a lot of these reviews, and I kind of wanted to throw ours in here. My setup's a little different. I didn't want anyone else getting involved in this, and well, thinking they got a counterfeit. I actually had to deal with the vendor on this. So, well, let's just dive into it. We're based around a Behringer XENYX 1202FX. I'm going to try to get in there. And I don't know if you can see that. There's not a lot of light over there, but that's the 1202FX. And if you see all the other YouTube videos based on this mixer, you'll see I've got something a little different here. My LEDs and my effect LED are all, well, they're amber. All of the others I've ever seen are blue. I actually had to email Behringer and ask them about that, and they say it's normal. They made a production change. They didn't identify when, but they made a production change, and that's what they went to. So that's what we're using. You can hear a lot of noise in the background. My mic gain is turned actually quite way up, and I'm sitting probably 2.5 to 3 feet away from the microphone itself. I'm 6 foot tall. I can extend my right arm, and I can't quite touch the microphone. So we're going to pan over here to the right. You can see my laptop. It's just a basic little cheap Lenovo. I'm running Audacity. And there's our microphone. Again, not the best light. I know. I haven't gotten everything fully set up yet. This is not going to be my final location. My final location is actually going to end up in a completely different room. This one is got too much noise going on in it. You can hear it. My air conditioning unit is right outside the window behind me, and you can probably hear the ceiling fan just blowing away. The other room that I'm planning on going into isn't quite this noisy. I'm going to make some knob adjustments here on the mixer. I'm noticing, this is something I don't remember doing, but the FX to main is turned up. I want to turn that down. And you see, there's not quite as much echo. Of course, I shouldn't have any FX in my mix because my knob is down. So I'm not sure what the deal is, and it may just be the environment. I've got a lot of hard surfaces here, a lot of things that are, opportunities for sound to bounce around in here. So it's not the cleanest audio environment. I really don't want to give you the impression that, oh, that mixer's crap or that mic is crap. It's not. It's actually quality equipment. It sounds really good. I'm just in a funky environment. Sorry. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to turn the mic gain down, and I'm going to move closer to the microphone so you can see it cleaned up a little bit. Okay, I am closer to the mic. I'm going to move the mic boom over closer to me. You can hear me. I'm a lot louder now. And I'm turning the mic gain down, and you can see, well, okay, I'm really bad at selfies, but maybe you can see me here. Hi, I'm talking into the mic. Ha! See? Okay, you see the big goober here? Yep. That's the microphone. I bet you that looked really retarded. Sorry about that, guys. No, the world did not just spin on you. I flipped the phone upwards. Okay, not smartest move on my part ever. Let me get back closer to the microphone and figure out what I'm going to do with this phone. Okay, now here I am talking to the mic. You can hear I've got the gain set. Well, let's take a look at it. I'm sorry about that. Okay. So the gain was set at about 75%. I don't know if you can see there, but my my EQs are set pretty much flat. I can tweak the EQ and change the sound of my voice. Okay, there's one way. That's the high turned all the way up. I don't particularly care for that. It sounds too tinny. But if my voice was too bass, maybe I sounded like Barry White, Well, anyway, I don't. So, okay, and there I go. I'm flat there. And then I'm going to turn the mid all the way up. That's just way too punchy. And we're going to go back to flat. And, of course, I'm going to turn the low, the bass. There we go. Here's Dave's Workshop and Smooth FM. Yuck. Okay, so there it is. That's the equipment. Another thing I should point out. Let me pan back here. I'm going to turn the gain back up. I'm going to pan back out. I want to show you something here. Okay, here I am. Sorry about the tinny noise. Again, that's just the environment. But you can see that I have this mixer on a the mic on a shock mount that's on an articulating arm that mounts, and sorry about the mess. I've actually been doing some remodeling. I'm trying to get ready for that move, so we won't have to put up with this crap sounding tinny environment very much longer. Okay, there I am, turned back down. Okay, and there's the mic gain up so you can actually hear me. Anyway, I'm rambling on, but I just wanted to bring that to you and show you what kind of sound you can get. The mixer itself is often on sale right now for about $110. The microphone goes for, help me out here, I think $50. The boom arm and shock mount go for about $32, I think, on Amazon. And what I didn't show you was the USB audio interface, which is a Behringer U-Control. They make 3 models: the UCA200, which is part of their podcast studio kit, the UCA202, which actually was the replacement for the UCA200, and the UCA222. The UCA222 is the current model. It's red, where the other two are gray. I'm not sure what other issues they've got with them. As you can see, I'm running this on a Windows 8.1 laptop. I haven't tested this yet. I do want to test the USB audio interface to see if it works on Linux. Sorry, Mac guys, I don't do Apple, so, I'm sure this works with Apple, but, it's just not my forte. Okay, well, that's it. That's the run-through. I appreciate you checking it out, and, again, the big issue we're going to have here is noisy environment and, not very skilled operator, so I'm getting better, but, yeah, still kind of crappy. Anyway, thanks. Thanks for watching, and take care.